Hey everyone, I'm back, and in this video I'm going to show you how I deal with colour issues. We had a job come back in that was painted previously and the customer wasn't happy with the way that the bumper matched the wings. So I'm going to show you my way how I deal with this problem. We're going to take the full front bumper, blend it up into the wings, and we'll fix this problem. For those that are new to the show, I'm Paul Phillips and this is Paul Phillips Paintwork. Here we go then. So you can see here we've put primer over the wing and the bumper. We've stripped the headlights and stuff, so everything can stay as it would be when the car's fully fitted up. This just ensures that the colour is the same throughout the bumper and the wings. Same on the other side. We've used the correct grey shade primer and just spread that across the wing and the bumper. That way bringing the undertone value from the bumper to the wing. And I've just lightly gone across the front bumper as well. We'll just do the full front bumper just to ensure that the colour is correct all the way back. The colour that I've actually matched it to is the bonnet, and then that way the blend through the wings is the same as the bonnet, but then the blend, well, the other side of the blend is the same as the door, so we're not interrupting the colour of the car itself. It's just one of these. I went away for a little while, I come back and this come back through the door. It had been painted by someone else at this company and I was asked to put it right, so that's what we do. I'm just moving on to the clear coat here, working my way around the vehicle and just bringing it back to life. The customer was happy in the end. It's just one of them things. Sometimes reds can be funny colour, and I do think it was to do with the undercoat, or the value shade grey underneath. I believe it was a new front bumper, so possibly he's used the factory grey primer that comes with it instead of a lighter grey. So that and a blend on the wing on one side has just threw it out across the car. But as you can see here, it's finished nicely. It looks good, and like I say, the customer was happy, so we're happy. And if you've got any more suggestions or anything that you'd like to see from the channel, put it in the comments below. And also the headlight, I forgot all about that. There was a new headlight that was put in, so it had like basically a new looking front end with one dull headlight. So we decided, just for the customer, just to make him happy, I suppose, we've just done this for free. Just recoated the lamp, make it look like a new lamp, and then the front end of his car looks brand new. And like I say, he was really happy when he got his car back. So let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.